Google Ads, endless tweaks, tight margins, and clients expecting magic. Winning a campaign doesn't happen by chance, and neither does a great report. After partnering with thousands of agencies, we've narrowed down the 4 essential steps to simplify your Google Ads reporting, delivering real results and reports your clients will actually read. The first step to streamlining your Google Ads reports is by automating your data with agency analytics. If you already have an account, awesome. If not, start your free trial and have your account up and running in no time. Manually copying data from Google Ads into spreadsheets and then into a report isn't just tedious, it's a time sink. Connect your Google account inside Agency Analytics. It only takes a couple of minutes. Go to Data Sources, type in Google Ads, and follow the prompts to connect your client's account in seconds. That's it. No more spreadsheets, no more copying and pasting. Pro tip, integrate Google Analytics 4 data as well to give your clients a holistic picture. More on that later. Once your Google Ads integration is connected, you'll have access to a pre-built integration dashboard. It includes multiple tabs of data, such as campaigns, AdWords, keywords, and more, giving you a detailed view of your client's performance across the account. Now, you're ready to build your Google Ads report. Head to the top and select Add to Report in the dropdown. Then select New Report and click Go to Report. This adds the first section of the dashboard to your report. But that's just the beginning. From here, continue building using the Add section option on the left. Want more control? Add a blank section and use the metric picker on the right to pull in the exact data you need. Just like that, your key Google Ads metrics are inside. And now it's time to make the report your own, and one your client actually looks forward to reading. Start by creating a summary page. Highlight key results your clients need to know, actions taken during that period, and any high-level progress on KPIs. Your metrics carry over exactly how you set them. Just fine-tune the layout so it's client-ready. Add in GA4 to complete the picture. When you include multiple data sources, you're not just sharing numbers. Pairing performance data with user behavior gives your client context. What's working, why it's working, and where to go next. It's more than just numbers on a page. It's a narrative your client can understand and act on. Now, bookend the report with next steps. Use your Google Ads report to reiterate your agency's proactive approach to delivering results. Clients expect more than just relaying numbers. They want to know how you're going to improve results. The best part? The answers are built right into the report. Save time with AI Summary. Instantly turn your data into a clear, client-friendly overview. Perfect for recapping wins and surfacing what to improve next. This is particularly helpful when filling out your summary page. Add your final polish, white label branding, client logos, and a custom cover that makes your agency shine. With the report telling the story you want and looking clean and professional, you're ready to share your Google Ads report with your client. Download it, email it, schedule it for a later date, or present it live. It's up to you. Ditch the spreadsheets. Deliver stunning Google Ads reports in minutes with Agency Analytics. Impress your clients. Save your team time. Check the link in the description for your free trial of Agency Analytics today. And start reporting smarter, not harder.